Hope all you guys are safe out there. If this is your first time here to my channel, welcome. And my name is Kevin. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click the button below. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to cut rebar or even a metal piece of pipe. I have a rebar here. It's a pain in the ass. So I'm going to show you guys how to cut it off. There's going to be many ways of doing it, but I'm going to show you two. This is the first way I'm going to show you how to cut the rebar. It is with a sawzall. When cutting this with the sawzall, you want to make sure the teeth are fine. This type of blade is meant for cutting metal. So let's make the first cut. You put it right against the pipe or rebar. We want to start off slow and go fast. There. I just cut it off. Whew, it's hot. Now the second way I'm going to show you is with a grinder with a cutting disc attached. Make sure it's a metal type that's able to cut metal. Make sure you have your PPE on. You don't want to get injured. And it's going to be super loud. Crap, my video camera didn't record this part while I was cutting this. But it's okay, I'll give you guys a better demo. But pretend this is in the wall and this is the part I'll be cutting off. And there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos upcoming. Stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to wash your hands. Peace out.